Hey, so I just wanted to show you a quick how-to with your typewriter. So your machine's going to come locked, and what you're going to want to do is with your left hand grab the right side of the platen and hold it down firmly, and with your right hand pull the platen knob out to the right. And what that is going to do is going to unlock the carriage for you, and it's going to pull this sort of piston piece out through and unlock your carriage. So if we again hold with the left hand, sort of wiggle this out, and then you'll see this lever over here sort of pop out, and that now releases the carriage for you. And then the next step is on the right hand side, there's this little arch lever. So what you're going to want to do is pull this piece out, this little sprawl, and then push it up, and that's going to raise the keys up. And then lastly, there's a paper release lever over here, which you can pull, push away from you to feed your paper in. And you want to feed your paper up until it sort of starts to come through on the margins underneath. And then you can pull that towards you, and then you can roll your paper up, and then you are good to go. And then to release your paper, take that same paper release lever, push it forward, and then pull the paper from the front up and through. And then the only other thing is to put your machine back in the case. You'll just have to do the opposite. Pull this little lever out and then push it back away from you. And then you have to relock the carriage. And this part's a little tricky, but there's a series of levers over here, and there's from the top 1, 2, 3, that's sort of a darker charcoal color that sort of connects to lever number 2 from the top. What you're going to want to do is pull that towards you, and then you can push the platen knob back in through the hole. And then what that's going to do is lock the carriage for you. So it's going to sort of release and pull tension to the left, and then you can just push it right, and then it's locked in place and you're good to go.